RainGrid is the culmination of a 20-year span development in urban watershed protection, focusing on rain at the property level. Our position and what we built for RainGrid and what the World Economic Forum recognized us for was what we term aggregated rain grid outcome networks. These are utilities of intelligent retention and reuse on every individual property, acting as a network for watershed restoration, both in terms of flood and drought amelioration. We take rooftops offline. We either in timed algorithms recharge that water into the groundwater table to reestablish the natural hydrology of a region, or we offset potable water demand with a specific ability of the homeowner to open their phone and drain their cistern. Otherwise, the cisterns operate 100% autonomously with a 5-day weather prediction. They read the forecast, determine what the precipitation intensity is going to be, and then they ensure that the cistern has enough capacity in it to manage that rooftop runoff to reduce the incidence of pluvial flooding. And then, of course, between storms, we program the algorithm to discharge to the groundwater table that sufficient amount necessary to recharge the groundwater without resulting in flooding or backflow. So all of this is in aid of water security, climate resilience, and the democratization of infrastructure. What's most interesting is that people actually get infrastructure on their properties that is maintained for them as a utility. So that's the most important thing about intelligent retention and reuse networks. I think that's everything. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you very much for your time.